Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, so today I'll present to you about my portfolio or our last project, our final target. How about the 25 minutes or 30 minutes, I will tell you about my experience at IDN for about 3 years, also all of my project here. So at the first, this normal portfolio, about my portfolio, and then next, this my profile, all of that. My name is Rahim Alifarian. Also, I born on 9 January 2010. Also, later on, senior high school, I will continue with my major is DKV, or you can know about the design. And also here, when I junior high school, I studied on IDN Pamijahan Bogor, but actually later when I senior high school, I will school also at IDN, but in a different branch, or I will school in Jonggol. Okay, so next, this about my about myself, the data. This is my education before kindergarten, also play group in MMA, name of the school. Also when I kindergarten, it's on MMA also. Also in elementary school, I do in SDAT Lab School Istek, and now junior high school here at IDN Boarding School Pamijahan Bogor. This some little skills that I have, but this not all that I mastery. I think like this, the 3 main apps that I always use around Figma, CapCut, or Lightroom. This is my experience. I a lot. There is IDN teaching, competition, and even this a lot. Later I will make the book. If you want to read, later I will showcase you to my YouTube channel. So next, this is the table of content. Maybe you don't really understand because it's only using icon. I will explain about the computer is about my IT project. The world globe is about English project. The book is about Dinia project. This in middle is about a certificate course or competition that I have. And then this, all of my experience, address on the other. Okay, so this first project. I think I will hold my mouse. Okay, so first is catching fruit. It's about it's not fruit, but because I already modified it into crab, the one that catching his food for about his life. If you catch the fish, you will get score, or the crab will eat. But if you catch the can or this snake, your score will be minus, or you cannot win. Okay, so next, take dream out. It's actually take them out is like actually take me out, but this because in that time the hype game is about Among Us, and then I found some character that get remake become Dream, so I just use that character. Then the name is now Take Dream Out from me. And this Step to Wash Corpse. Actually, the real game is for about manners, how did you sleep, or before sleep, after sleep, and the other. But in that time, our teacher have brilliant idea. So Shahron, he gave us like the other this game. It will be like remix with Dinia lesson. So they put another title. Every people get different, but I get the how to wash a corpse. Actually, and I learn also this slash fruit. It's actually ninja fruit, but it's using camera or using cursor can. But here I'm focusing on camera for slashing the fruit, not the bomb. If you one time hit the bomb, you will die. Okay, next. Yes, Trapper Dream is also like the modification of Bombercat or Bomberman. As you guys know about Bomberman, that game that hype in that time before I born in this world. Actually, Trapper Dream. So this dream will bomb to the other, but dream cannot what hit or touch the other because he will die. And yeah, continue. Oh yeah, before all of that game is using Scratch. Now continue to website. It's WordPress. Yeah, this is my personal website. Actually, at the first time, not like this, but I already modified this second time. And actually, there is the third time and fourth times, but I only have the screenshot of second time because the website actually almost died this year. But my friend already died, yeah, because I pay again. Yeah, okay. So this telling about all of my what like my access info, this home, contact, about, and also there is my project, my portfolio, but not this portfolio because like the portfolio of what what game or the other, or about my project also there. This store website, this website I make in what in the last examination with my friend Sabil. I make this is using WordPress also. It's the donuts item. If you want to visit this, I will give you in description, or there is in here later. I will edit. Okay, so next, school website. This I make with Google site, not WordPress, because Google site is more simple. This in that time, our teacher gave us task for make website using this. The application is Google site, then the other associate, and then we learn. Then I make this school website about my old school, the SD Telab School Ristek, that place in Bekasi. If you live in Bekasi, maybe your kid can school in there, or your children. Okay, so next, yeah, about game again. It's using Buildbox, about Dino Google. Yeah, Dino Google. Actually, it's like from the Google, when you don't have connection, will directly, no internet phone, or this. Later there is the Dino here. When you press space, if not space, yeah, you click the arrow button, it will directly jump. Then you start the game. Yeah, but this not really similar with the Google because I already modified it. In here you can see it. Spam space, it will fly, but you will die. Okay, so this is second of the box, jumping cube. This the cube, the one that jumping. Yeah, only jumping, but there's many obstacle. That obstacle is actually only copy, yeah, because don't have many time before. Yeah. Okay, next is crossing ice. The ice, the one that crossing. Yeah, it's like crossing road, crossing road. Crossing road, the game of Google also. Yeah, only like that. But this I don't know. In that time, my laptop is, yeah, the story. My laptop before die, so I cannot use for make this project. So I use this project. I make this project with my teacher, with with his laptop. I make it, but I don't really understand about the crossing road. But actually, I already make this before. Yeah. Okay, so next we move to the design project using Figma. It's, yeah, flat illustration. If you can guess this, who's this in here? Maybe you get good lah. Yeah, so I will tell who's this. This I take the pictures of Draw when he's shooting about Fast and Furious. So I take his pictures and then I make it to be illustration that flat. Yeah, of course lah, flat illustration. Illustration is flat, never being 3D, except 3D illustration. This non Figma. We using pen tool and the other also this. Cool, bro. Okay, so next is about Instagram post. It's another project on Figma. I make a post that normally is everywhere you are, takwa wherever you are, like that lah. This I upload to Instagram. You can see later on my Instagram at rahimali.f. Okay, Instagram. So okay, so next, visual merchandise. It's about my merchandise. This I don't know. I don't have any idea before my visual merchandise. So I just make using NPC. Actually that kind something of bad, but yeah, I don't have any idea before, but now I already have. Maybe just pray to me the merchandise later become real. Yeah. Okay, so now on to continue to user interface. Oh no, it's crashed because using Bluetooth. User interface. So user interface is like the design of some web or application. That this is application one that I make is about dock here is like similar with HelloDoc. You know HelloDoc? Yeah, I make another user interface with orange primary color that I make with normally like that's a kind of around 30 or 40 frames that I make, but I'm not make full application like only until talking with the doctor and then by the what surgery, no, the medicine. Okay, so this. Okay, next continue digital image. Okay, digital image is using photocopy. Oh, why name digital image? Because this image can manipulation your eyes. You see this actually there's the real image. Yeah, it's about this image is what the way this plane and cloud. You think this one image? No, it's actually three image, the one that I combine become one. First is the way, then I take the plane and I take the cloud. They're all different, but I added it into like one image, so your eyes can be manipulation. So actually the name is image, but manipulation image like that. So this image can manipulate you, same like in the poster of theater or movie. It's actually not real, but only manipulate your eyes. Okay, so next, yeah, parallax effects. I learned this with CapCut. This like the how did everyone the one that make motion graphic using this effect, like for zoom in, zoom out, or like while moving, using parallax effects. So in that time I make the mountain with some what grass island like that. While you moving, the mount will become little and then the grass will become big like that. Yeah, in edit in CapCut it's only using size and position. Okay, so next this 3D model. Oh, die. Sorry for the mistaken or like technical error. Yeah, because the Bluetooth connection is get disconnect. So continue. Wait, setting my mouse. This. Okay, so now 3D model. 3D model is like normal model that I make. We make using Tinkercad. It is like software. It's recommended for kids because it's easier for make something like not using Blender when there is something kind of hard for kid. This easier. So you only need to drag and edit some little in there. Okay, so next air control. Yeah, we enter to the what IoT things. This using microbit. Air control. Air control is the bot that I code. Me and my friend code for moving using the remote. Actually, there's the remote, but now the remote is already gone. Yeah. So next, vending machine. Okay, the vending machine actually I make with my friend Paik. This vending machine we have own job. Yeah, I actually only for helping the what about the card things and Paik coding and the other. I help for the other. Okay, so this normal vending machine like normal yeah, actually, but this only using card. That's all. Hard. Okay, so next. It's smart home, but this only the like prototype because it's online. Yeah, smart home. We're using Walkwi for coding. This using C or Arduino things, but it's on prototype online, namely Walkwi. If you want to search the website walkwi.com, that one. Okay, so yeah, when yeah, when you pass this infrared, the servo it will move. Also when the peer station or peer button, it will make some movement like the what sirene will what not no the lamp will on the red lamp. Okay, so next this smart farm. Smart farm is like for farmers actually, but this for checking the what Celsius, what checking the weather, checking the weather, like this cold, hot, or normally. Okay, so next greenhouse. Actually, greenhouse and smart farm is almost same, but greenhouse is more complicated because we have different. It's like ada finger, but this easier because only use one. Nah, no fancy only. The code is a lot, but the prototype is only one. Before the smartphone is a lot. Okay, so next, yeah, card name is using Codular. Why we make card name? Because it's easier. So you don't need to bring ID card, also like me actually. So this the card name, it will show your name, what is your role in here, I think, and then this your contact also, and then there is some experience that you have, like project how many, client, and award. Yeah, that's simple card name actually. Then talk to me. It's like narrate like that for help you speak and record. Yeah, so it will help you to know about how this pronunciation or speak like that. For that is easier. If you want the application, I will give you guys. Okay, this calculator. It's another calculator that kind of fun. So this easier for your kid, your student. It's easier using this than calculator normal. So they know about the calculator normal and square, rectangle, and the other about the what name like that lah. Then yeah, it's only for counting. Don't use that this for exam. Don't ever. Wait. Nah. Okay, so next Bitakwa. This actually like Bitakwa app like name. It's like Muslim APK, Muslim apps that help you a lot. Like this is the home screen, and this for the prayer, and then what zakat calculator. Also there is the kajian video, and also the last is the schedule of sholat. And then okay, continue. Yeah, this already to enter to English, yeah, English project. Mini movie. Yeah, this actually movie. Movie. Yeah, mini movie. Like that. I make this with Raka, Helmi, and Fadel, I think. The friendship things when we are 7th grade with Mr. Abdullah. And then next, short movie. Short movie this I make with Mr. Bayu, but this with Aul and Haidar. Fadel and Haidar or Adelio, I forgot. The things is about the Quran, how to read Quran. And then next, sculpture. This sculpture with our like senior friend that already not in here, with Apip, Fadel, and Aiman, I think. Yeah, that senior friend. Also next, podcast. This Ayo podcast with Zahran is about the business that we want to do, and also about our future that actually we want to do it. Okay, so next, last project. This actually not last project, but last time before this. Last project last semester. Yeah, this project is only for one semester. This one that I record is for one semester. this last project last semester about my interview with my old teacher, Mr. Deja. And this describing country, I describe about England, I think. And my favorite project, I explain about every one of them. So maybe, but still, my favorite project is Tech Dream, no, Bomber Dream. Okay, this study and plan. Study and plan project, that's count before also. But the study and plan, I explain where I will continue my study after here. Also my plan later when I already done of senior high school, I will continue college or work. Also there's some plan that I will do when later on work or about married. Okay, so next, now Dinia we enter this Shirik poster. Yeah, this poster is about Shirik. That I know I get this inspiration from Eja, this poster. Okay, so next, it's chat manners. Better basmalah or assalamualaikum salam or yeah, chat manners I think. Okay, so next is the continuing what human letter after here from dunia will go until surga, how many until heaven that. Okay, so continue this visit manners. The visit manners is like it's about it, but the one that I remember, bring food to the one that sick, and also pray to him for get well soon. And next, nafkah and nazar. This is the different nafkah and nazar. Yeah, about this poster we'll explain it. No. This last I think, yeah, manners to neighbor. The neighbor manners like for the place. I mean, when you have a neighbor, like you must do good things. Yeah, like that. Nah, let's continue to the second bab or the second theme. This is about my certificate. This is my certificate. This first I get from Cosmopolitan about the Dart. I think that. Oh no, this HTML. Yeah, the one that gets said we need to about certificate every semester, one semester certificate. And this second is about Git for the starter or Git for the beginner. Also this the third I got from decoding about how did we start about Java. And then this different again about identity certificate that go to Malaysia. And this certificate when I do competition poster in Peduli Bumi, that I remember about the corporation named Peduli Bumi, that I make poster about care to our earth because our earth already bad lah. I think they in their perspective they say bad. Then this my certificate when Olympiade no, I think like competition English. Also this the other competition English and mathematics. This are some like history of Indonesian. This the other same like English. Not English but because in here when we are want to join like some competition, we get option like doing like another school like archery and the other, or from our lesson like IT or English or Dinia. Yeah, done. This my experience. Like this will be the last I think for about my experience. First this will be long. I will tell story. This our canyoning to tebing. Yeah, so here in that time in morning, not in morning, yeah of course in morning because we go there using angkot. Yeah, go to the place, but when we already arrived there, we need to wait until around 10 or 11, I think 1 o'clock. No, 10 or 11, because in that time we have trouble when we want to enter for go to the Curug. Then yeah, we waiting. Then our ustad, some of them already go back to IDN because don't have many time. So yeah, we just go. And also we go to here with Kariski, the name of the Muslim adventure, I think. Okay, so next is leadership camp. This all of with my friend, yeah, with all of my friends, and also my old dormitory teacher. We go to Mon, no, not Mon. We only go to Kawah Ratu. What name? Yeah, the thing before Salak, and you using the way of Pasir Ringit. The name like that lah. How to? Ya udahlah. So continue when this with my friend. Yeah, I do this also with another senior high school. The name senior high school is with the second generation in here, not in Jonggo. Oh, yeah, like here. But they doing PKL now because I'm 9th grade. Okay, so next. Cave and forest exploration. We also do this with another second generation with senior high school. We do in Sentul. That what cave? I don't remember. I think in there it's like very wet. The cave actually is like flooding or flood like that lah, wet. I don't really like go to there actually. Okay, so next. This Quranic volcano. We go to mountain gede, but like that lah. In there actually we not read Quran, but we doing some lecture. But the event name is Quranic volcano. Yeah, so in there we do like for about 3 days, 2 days for going up, but 3 days. So in that time, in the night, we go to Cianjur, and then we sleep there in West Camp. Then in morning we go up with all of them. Then in the time also, yeah, I got team with Farel and Afif, with brother Farel and Afif. So in there, yeah, until up. But our story, our camping, yeah, our camping. That bad idea, I think. So I will not tell story because that's not fun. Okay, so this last time that we do in last semester is Tadabbur Alam. It's on our old place, name what, Lembur Anyar, about that place. Yeah, before we go to here, actually we in Lembur Anyar, yeah, not here. Then we do some all-out thing before Lembur Anyar 1 month. But now we got there for about Tadabbur Alam for about 2 days in there. Yeah, we sleep in camping again. Yeah, camping again, do camping again. Okay, so yeah, last. Okay, thank you for taking time to hear about my journey for about in here in IDN. So yeah, my last word maybe this English, yeah. Okay, so thank you for all of my teacher, like from the first until now, Mr. Septian, and before Mr. Septian, Mr. Deza, before Mr. Deza, Mr. Bayu, before Mr. Bayu, Mr. Abil, before Mr. Abil, Mr. Abdul. At all of my teacher, English teacher, I say thank you for give me a lesson. Yeah, until now about that I still use how to speak English, about some vocabulary that we were even that I don't know when I entered to here. I cannot speak English now. Maybe I'm still not really good at English now, but I will still keep learn until I die, I think. Okay, so maybe that's all. That's what I say. Yeah. That's what I say. Yeah, that's what I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry for technical missing.